Welcome to our journey towards mastering vaginal hygiene. If you're ready to take control of your health and well-being, hit that subscribe button and join our community of empowered women. Let's dive in. We all have one, ladies. Yes, I'm talking about your vagina. It's a part of our bodies that often gets overlooked or shrouded in mystery and embarrassment. But why should it be? Our vaginas are a crucial part of our health and well-being, and it's high time we start treating them with the respect and care they deserve. Let's break the silence and the stigma. It's time to have an open and honest conversation about vaginal health. From understanding the basics of hygiene to recognizing the signs of potential issues, knowledge is power, and the more we know, the better we can take care of ourselves. It's time to ditch the awkwardness and get comfortable with our bodies. Imagine a world where we can talk about our vaginas as easily as we talk about our hair or skin. A world where we can share tips, ask questions, and support each other without feeling embarrassed or judged. Getting comfortable with our bodies starts with education. Do you know what's normal for your vagina? Do you know how to keep it healthy? These are questions we should all be able to answer confidently. And if you don't know the answers, that's okay. That's what we're here for. Let's be honest. How many of us actually feel confident about our vaginal health? It's a topic that's often neglected in our education and even in our conversations with healthcare providers. But it doesn't have to be that way. We can take control of our health by seeking out information and asking the right questions. It's time to change that. Let's empower ourselves with knowledge and take charge of our vaginal health. Whether it's understanding the importance of regular checkups, knowing the signs of infections, or simply learning how to maintain good hygiene, every bit of information helps. This isn't just about smelling like a bed of roses, although feeling fresh is always a plus. It's about understanding and caring for one of the most important parts of our bodies. Our vaginas play a vital role in our reproductive health, our sexual health, and our overall well-being. It's about understanding and caring for one of the most important parts of our bodies. From the right way to clean to the foods that can promote a healthy balance, there's so much to learn. And the more we know, the better equipped we are to take care of ourselves. So, grab a cuppa, get comfy, and let's dive into the world of vaginal hygiene. We'll cover everything from daily care routines to recognizing when something might be off. It's all about making sure you feel confident and comfortable in your own skin. And let's dive into the world of vaginal hygiene. We'll explore the myths and facts, the do's and don'ts, and everything in between. It's time to take the mystery out of vaginal care and make it a normal part of our self-care routine. Ready to become a pro at Down There Care? Let's go. Together we can create a community of informed, empowered women who are confident in their bodies and their health. So, let's get started and make vaginal health a priority. Think of your vagina as a self-cleaning oven. It pretty much takes care of itself. But just like your oven needs a little wipe down now and then, so does your vagina. Good hygiene prevents infections, keeps things smelling fresh, and boosts your overall confidence. Who doesn't want that? Remember, a healthy vagina is a happy vagina. So let's learn how to keep things in tip-top shape. Let's be clear, your vagina is a delicate flower. Just like a flower, it needs the right care to stay healthy and vibrant. Treat it with the same gentleness and respect you would give to a beautiful bloom in your garden. Harsh soaps and douches are a big no-no. These products can be too aggressive and strip away the natural oils and good bacteria that protect your vagina. Imagine using a harsh chemical on a delicate flower. It would wilt and suffer. The same goes for your intimate area. They disrupt your natural pH balance, leading to irritation and infections. Your vagina maintains a slightly acidic environment to ward off harmful bacteria and infections. When you use harsh products, you upset this balance, making it easier for bad bacteria to thrive and cause problems. Stick to warm water and mild unscented soap on the outer areas only. Warm water is gentle and effective for cleaning, while mild unscented soap helps to avoid irritation. Remember, the goal is to clean without causing harm. Yes, you heard right. Just the outer areas. The inner parts of your vagina are self-cleaning and do not require any soap. Overcleaning can lead to dryness and discomfort, so keep it simple. Your vagina has its own cleaning system. It produces natural secretions that help to keep it clean and maintain a healthy balance of bacteria. Trust this natural process and avoid interfering with it. Remember, less is more when it comes to vaginal hygiene. Overdoing it with products and routines can do more harm than good. Stick to the basics and let your body do the rest. Keep it simple. Keep it clean. A minimalist approach to vaginal hygiene is often the best. Use gentle products, avoid harsh chemicals, and trust your body's natural ability to maintain its own health. By doing so, you'll feel fresh, comfortable, and confident every day. Douching might seem like a good idea, but trust me, it's not your friend. Douching washes away the good bacteria that keep your vagina healthy. This can lead to infections like bacterial vaginosis and even increase your risk of STIs. So, ditch the douche and let your vagina do its thing. Your vagina is not meant to smell like a garden. Embrace your natural scent. Section 5. What about feminine products? Tampons, pads, menstrual cups. We've got options, ladies. The key is to choose what works best for you and your flow. Change your tampons or pads regularly, every 4 to 8 hours, to avoid leaks and infections. Menstrual cups should be emptied and washed every 12 hours. Remember, hygiene is extra important during your period. For more tips and product recommendations, visit our website or follow us on social media. Keep things clean and fresh to avoid any unwanted surprises. Section 6. Your vagina is not a bouquet. Let's talk about scents. Your vagina has its own unique smell, and that's perfectly normal. Just like every person has a distinct fingerprint, your body has its own natural aroma. This scent can vary throughout your menstrual cycle, influenced by hormones, diet, and even your level of physical activity. It's a part of who you are, and it's nothing to be ashamed of. Don't buy into the marketing hype of scented products. Those floral sprays and wipes can irritate your sensitive skin and mask potential problems. The vagina is a self-cleaning organ, and it doesn't need artificial fragrances to stay fresh. In fact, using these products can disrupt the natural balance of bacteria and yeast, leading to infections and other issues. Instead, focus on maintaining good hygiene with gentle, unscented soap and water. Embrace your natural scent, ladies. Confidence comes from accepting and loving your body as it is. Remember, the natural scent of your vagina is a sign of a healthy body. If you're ever in doubt, trust your instincts and consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide guidance and reassurance, helping you understand what's normal and what might need attention. If you notice a strong or foul odor, it's time to see your doctor. Changes in scent can be a sign of an underlying issue, such as a bacterial or yeast infection. Other symptoms to watch for include itching, burning, or unusual discharge. These are signals from your body that something might be off, and it's important to address them promptly. It could be a sign of an infection. Early diagnosis and treatment can prevent complications and help you maintain your overall health. Don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare provider if you have concerns. They are there to support you and ensure your well-being. Remember, your health is a priority, and taking care of your body includes paying attention to its signals and seeking help when needed. Section 7. Listen to your body. Your body is pretty amazing, and it will tell you when something's not right. Pay attention to any unusual discharge, itching, burning, or pain. These could be signs of an infection and require a visit to your doctor. Don't ignore the signs, ladies. Early detection is key to treating any problems quickly and effectively. Your vagina will thank you for it. Section 8. Bursting vaginal myths. Coming soon. We've covered the basics of vaginal hygiene, but there are still a lot of myths and misconceptions out there. Stay tuned for my next post where we'll be debunking those pesky vaginal myths. Get ready to separate fact from fiction and arm yourself with the knowledge you need to keep your vagina healthy and happy. Section 9. Share your thoughts. So there you have it, ladies. The lowdown on vaginal hygiene. What are your biggest takeaways? Any questions or burning vaginal hygiene dilemmas you'd like me to address? Share your thoughts and comments below. Let's keep the conversation going and break the taboo around vaginal health.